Y'all need to sign up for ICE. That's your type of deal, you bitch ass nigga. Old ass lady, y'all trying to put her in cuffs.
And I'm going to use the phone to call my daughter to tell her what's happening.
What's your number, honey?
My phone is supposed to be in the car.
Okay.
What's the number, baby? What's the number? Say the number. Say the number. Say the number.
Daniel! Man, I don't give a fuck. Y'all not about to start grabbing this old ass lady in front of me. Guys, we not doing that. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck about none of that.
Say the number, baby. Say it.
They're very tight.
Go ahead, you can say the number.
They're very tight.
And you standing here like you gonna do something, you faggot ass.
Say the number.
Look. Give her Candace's phone number.
Okay, I'm gonna get it, baby.
Tell her the number. My phone's dead. No, my phone's dead.
I don't know it by heart.
Okay.
Tell Miss Scotty to call.
I got you.
Where y'all taking me?
Listen, do your job. Don't anything aggressive, bro. I'm on dog shit with y'all. That's it.
And don't let them find you.
She was affected.
Excited. Did you just see her arm go? I can walk.
You gonna lock up an old ass lady. When you go home and you touch your wife, you bitch ass nigga, make sure you tell her you locked up an old lady for jumping on your faggot ass.